production happening down here. What kind of production going on here? These guys were doing a complicated shot. I watched them rehearse. The cameraman starts on this crane, shooting down. And then steps off to follow the actors. So cool. I wonder what it was for. If you die in Amsterdam but don't have any family, friends, or acquaintances, then a poet will write a poem and recite it at your funeral. I'm just wandering around. It's around 6 in the morning. The seagulls are out. And I'm just trying to figure out something to eat. Check this thing out here. It's a public urinal, so people don't piss in the street. Looks pretty gross, but you go in there and then alright, oh, maybe I better look going this way. Fucking seagulls, Jesus. That's a cool one, but there you go. How's that for a fun ride? A lot of the bridges have a metallic name. This is sort of the end of the red light district, I guess. And right down there is Central Station, right through there. There's something pretty cool about getting up very early and enjoying a virtually empty Amsterdam. Highly recommend it. Most of the old houses have those hooks at the top. Push in for a close-up. There you go. That is how you would get furniture up into the houses, because the stairways are a joke.